Yes, sure.
So I declare meeting number 89 of Meraki open, and
I declare meeting number 363 of Coromandel open. Okay, I would like to go first. In our life, we might have come across n number of peoples. Not everyone would inspire us. Not everyone would taught us some lessons. But in this forum, in Toastmasters, each and every person you meet will inspire us. If not, they will taught you some lesson which you could imply in your life. People say Toastmasters will produce ocean level of knowledge. If you come with a bucket, you will go out with a bucket of water. If you come with a spoon, you will go out with a drop of water. I would say it's not like we are coming and going. If you are a Toastmaster, you walk Toastmaster, you live Toastmaster, you bleed Toastmaster. For me, Toastmaster is like an ocean. Everyone jump into this ocean, we won't float. That is the beauty of it. We won't drown we won't drown and we won't die. We will float. Together, the people here, we won't allow you, we won't let you to drown and die. Together, they will help you to develop your skills. Our life is like a pond. If you learn art of swimming in this ocean, it will be easy for us to survive in that pond. And as we are meeting in the Coromandel Coast, we are trying to improve ourselves. There are some people who come and learn something and go away. For me, it's not a true learning. In Toastmasters, once you're a Toastmaster, you will be a Toastmaster until you die. So as we are meeting in the Coromandel Coast, we saw a brightness of you guys in the middle of the ocean. So we wanted to join hands with you to learn how to develop our communication skills. So we came all the way from Coromandel Coast to the center of the ocean, that is Meraki, to experience and learn something from you guys today. It's over to you, DTM Satish. You are on mute, Satish.
thank you so much, Vignesh, for sharing the thoughts. Before we start with the meeting, this is a custom, I would say, started in the year of last month of July 2020 in Meraki. I never search for inspiration outside of Meraki. So I started with this series of introducing one among our Meraki members as my inspiration, my personal interaction. Today, there is one special lady from us, from Miraculous, and this incident happened about 8 years back. It was during the Ovation 2013. I was sitting on the table where we are entering the registrations for the district council meeting of then district 82. Along with me was the other Toastmaster who was sitting next to me. We were known for at least quite 2 years, I would say. This conversation goes like this, and she was asking me, Satish, what's next? I was just completing my sergeant terms at the Medley Toastmasters Adayar, that term 2013 Jan to June term. So she was asking, Satish, what next? I was saying, it's okay, I'll pick something. That's when this advice, or I would say a kind of a lesson came in. She hold me and said, Satish, it is not something. Choose what you want to see, what you want to achieve in Toastmasters, or what role you want to play in the XCOM role, so that you will have some fixed learnings rather than picking whatever comes on your way. So that's when I started thinking what I need, what role I should take in Toastmasters. I went on to took the role of treasurer in the upcoming term, then VPE president, and here today I'm, after 8 years, standing in front of you as a president of Meraki. So friends, you may be staying in some crossroad, trying to see something, it comes, I'll take it up or pick it up. Don't do it at random. Pick something or choose something which you want to achieve. Thank you so much, Jayanti Sundar, for sharing this valuable lesson to me a few years ago. I'm sure still it stays strong and fresh in my mind. Thank you so much for being an inspiration for me. With this note, I would like to introduce or welcome the district leaders among us. To start with our Division F Director, distinguished Toastmaster Aarti Mangalam Jayaraj.
Thank you, Satish.
And also we have our CGD team with us, distinguished Toastmaster Sundara Raman. I am missing our content chair. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so welcome you all again for this wonderful joint meeting of Meraki as well as Coromandel Toastmasters Club. Maybe let's start with a few introductions. We have one or two guests, I guess. So guest, can you please introduce yourself and share a few words? What's your expectation?
Hi, good morning. This is Parandaman. I represent from Vestas Toastmaster Club. Just I joined to learn from Meraki. So, thank you.
Thank you, Parandaman. We have another guest with us. It is Cherlin, right? Can I have the other guest introduction? Okay, maybe we will.
Yeah, maybe we lost her.
We'll ask them at the end of the meeting. So with this, we have come to the important segment of every Toastmaster meeting. Maybe I would request Vignesh to start with the introduction of the TMOD of Meraki, and I will do the honors for Coromandel.
Yeah, sure. Thanks a lot, DTM Satish. As we open the meeting with the two SA and the two presiding officers, we're going to have a two TMOD to make this morning more energetic. First, it's my pleasure to introduce the first TMOD of today's meeting. This person, by profession, is a manager in one of the leading IT company in India. And apart from this, she is a classical Bharatanatyam dancer. She did a concert in India and in abroad. Apart from this, she was an interviewer in DD Doordarshan channel. When it comes to Toastmasters, she joined Toastmasters in the year 2011, served many roles in a Medley Club, and she is a dual member of Medley Toastmasters Club and Meraki Toastmasters Club. And she contested and won in a division level table topic contest in 2018 and represented in 2018 Ovation for table topic contest also. It's my pleasure and honor welcoming Madam DTM Jayanti Sundaraman to the virtual stage.
Thank you, Vignesh. Welcome, Jayanti. I would like to introduce the second TMOD for today, which is Priyatham, who is a final year student studying electronics and communication engineering from my alma mater, SRM University. And he is the immediate past president of Coromandel Toastmasters, and he is a Toastmaster for the last 2 years. As I heard from the serving president of Coromandel, he is a passionate and a young leader who led Coromandel last year, and he is the one keeping the club up to date with respect to the TLA events as and when it happens. And he is someone proved that age doesn't matter in Toastmasters. Welcome to the stage, Priyatham. Over to you.
It's Saturday, 29th August 2020. You're watching early morning 7 a.m. Meraki Toastmasters live.
Priyatham, say what Meraki is, please.